Okay. Oh, okay, I think it's good. Maybe not. Check it out. Oh, the battery is dead now. Let me get the jump start. Alright. Keep this lens here and this one here. Check this sound. Bad. But the car is on. A little bit smoke. Let's remove the jumper. I'm gonna put the battery to charge. Okay. I'm gonna move this car in the driveway because my driveway is empty right now. Because all my cars are on Turo. Most of the cars. I have the 5 Series here, the BMW. Okay. This is a nice car. I'm gonna move the car there. Alright. Whew. Range. I don't have gas. I need to put gas. What? It doesn't work? I need to cut the grass. I don't like it. I don't like to keep the cars here in my backyard. And voila. So this is the car. It looks bad now. Like I said, I got the car 1 year ago. $1,000. $1,000. I used to have the same model 4 years ago or 5 years ago. 4 or 5 years ago, and I sold it for $10,000. I put this tape here to clean the headlights, but I'm gonna show you all the progress on this car. Everything what I'm gonna do. It's gonna look nice. I know how to bring the things back alive, especially BMWs. That's my specialty. I'm kidding. Alright, let's see. The brakes are, man, they are bad. Tires are kinda new. They are 2024 or 5. No, it's 22. This is 22. 22, yeah. But they are new.